Yeah, so over here is New Town in Sunyani and evening joint, pork joint, point and cut, yeah. So we have these brothers over here now. Assets. Oh, it is great, man. As it going yeah, so benku and pork and with some hot pepper.
Yes.
Zizi. Yeah, so let me try this and see how. I know Baba brother. No, spill wow. Fine.
Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, do with this, boy. Cookie with Sindaco, now I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm in Sunyani, Sunyani Cocoa Board. And Sunyani is one of the popular cities we have in Ghana. Beautiful environment, nice people. And in this video, I'll be showing you the nightlife we have in Sunyani. We'll be looking at street food, lifestyle, and any vibe that comes my way. So I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a brother. And make sure you turn notification bell so you'll be notified when video drops. Let's do this, right, Koro?
Yeah, so here is New Town and a serious pork joint over here. Like the whole place is full up with people like buying, yeah. Point and cut, that's the name, yeah. So they say it's point and cut. So when you point, then they chop it for you, they cut it for you. So when you point and they chop it for you, then they do the frying over here. So the mixes, pork joints in the New Town Sunyani.
And so when you go with this one,
With the peche. Pork chips.
I need the heart to get you there and make come to
Ooh. It's a hui. It's a hui. Yeah. Obi to be right. Yeah, so over here is Kalawili in Sunyani, yeah. Street food night in Sunyani. And we have Ghana over here. Yeah. Yeah, so this is. Hey, what do I mix this now? Hey, what do you eat?
mix.
Where mix.
Three flavors.
So over here is fresh yogurt, yeah. Fresh yogurt in Sunyani, nightlife, street food, yeah. And hey, where's my straw for Yaba town, yeah? Yeah, so street food in female. Ada kasamo. Oh no, I'm just simple. You go to a good. I'm so no, my eye one. So that me J. Let me be the first person to tell you how it is. Okay then, yeah.
I have two favorites, so just check it out. I have strawberry,
okay,
vanilla, and banana.
Pero. Yeah, so perfect rice, inside leaves in Sunyani, and this is street food, evening life or night life in Sunyani. Yeah. So serious joint, pork joint. We have these brothers over here now. Assets. Oh, it is great, man. I say, what's on the one DJ? Bro. What's in there? I say, you know. Chill. It's my guy, bro. Yes, I say, we're not going. Yeah, so benku and pork and with some hot pepper.
Yes.
And
at
the other side, you know. Yeah.
I'm preparing the price.
Come here, yeah. Ezibana.
Zizi.
Come here.
Sorry.
Yes. You have to enjoy. After hard work,
okay.
Tell what ebusian for Ghana. Nasa opese will send this sikama omwa. Download the Lemonade Finance app no. Ewo App Store, Google Play Store. Never send this scammer webusian for omo Ghana. Lemonade Finance app no. Free. So we send this guy. Free. Very easy and very secure too. Exchange rates no so the end the best on the market. And catch our busian for more about trace. Some person will send this scammer wa. Omo use Lemonade Finance. Ubet me download the Google Play Store, any Apple App Store. Kai say Lemonade Finance free, easy, fast, and our exchange rates no so the best on the market.